What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com answering a question from a VIP member. Here is the question. Tony, I'm finally about to spray my bike. My bike has decals on it, or it may be paint. Most likely, by looking at this, it's a decal that they cleared over. A lot of bike tanks, they do that. They put a decal and they clear coat over that. So he says, my question is, do I need to sand all of these designs out, or do I need to sand down the clear and prime over it? If it helps, I'll be adding new decals once it's painted. One more thing. Would I be pushing my luck spraying flakes out of a 1.8 tip? I know most of the videos where you sprayed flake, you used a 2.0 tip. Negative. Most of the videos that I sprayed flake actually comes out of a 1.3 or 1.4 tip because I use micro sequence flake. I use very fine flake. So there's jumbo flake, there's larger flake. If you're using larger flake, then you're going to want to use a 1.8 to a 2.0 tip. But if you're using a micro mini flake, which is basically, 0.008 or so in size, then you can shoot it out of a 1.3 or a 1.4 nozzle. And that's the flake size that I usually spray because it's easy to spray. It's not going to pop out of your clear coat. It'll give you that nice metallic flake look. And I just like spraying mini flake over jumbo flake. There's more work involved when spraying jumbo flake. And I like mini flake better anyway, the way it lays on, because it's tighter in the paint and it just looks a lot better. So yeah. So let's get back to your question here. So as far as sanding it, if you could sand it and you sand it smooth and you don't feel the decal, you could basically base coat and clear coat over it and then put more decals. But if this is like your personal bike and you really want to do a good job, you could sand the decal out. Okay, feather it. It's going to take you a few pads of sandpaper. I would use, because when you're sanding out decals like this, it's going to gum up your DA, your sanding discs. So you're going to probably use about, I would say, 3 or 4 discs per side, just sanding out this decal here. Because you're going to get glue and it's going to get all ugly. And I would use probably around 100 grit, and then you could scuff the outer area, feather it with like 280 to 320, and then put some thick 2K primer, sand the whole tank down, okay, with like a 320, and then put 3 heavy coats of a 2K filler primer over everything, and then wet sand it with 400 grit. Okay, if you don't care about it too much and you feel like you can get it smooth without taking the decal out, then you could absolutely base and clear right over it, because a clear coat is actually a good foundation to put new paint over. So hopefully this answers your question. It's Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Let me know what you think down below in the comment. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll also send you a direct link. And for those of you new guys watching this video, if you want to click the description on the top right of this video here, to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual, you go to a website like this. You could download this auto body and paint guide and learn so much more about auto body. And of course, don't forget to check out VIP. A lot of content in there to help you step by step with your auto body and paint projects. Like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you think. There's also more information in the description. If you're watching this on YouTube, links down below in the description. Check that out. And don't forget to check out the site and grab your free auto body book. It also looks like this, has another page like this where you can get your free auto body book right over here. All right, it's Tony. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.